right, so this is the final lesson of chapter 2. Okay, so we're going to kind of put all of our thoughts together for this last lesson and be ready to move on to the next chapter. So you're going to write to the equinocts, and before you do, we're going to review some of the key concepts and the vocabulary that we've been learning throughout the chapter. So remember in chapter 1, way back in the beginning, we are trying to figure out why the plants and animals in the biodome didn't have enough energy storage molecules. Does anybody remember ultimately why they didn't have enough energy storage molecules? What happened?
They were in a dome.
Okay, but that's not really the reason.
Not enough carbon.
Not enough carbon, very good. And why would they need carbon? Why do plants need carbon? For photosynthesis. Excellent. So the ultimate reason why they didn't have enough energy storage molecules was because the carbon dioxide in the biodome had decreased. Okay? So the things that we learned in chapter 1 was that carbon is part of carbon dioxide, which is abiotic matter, because carbon dioxide is part of the air. Carbon is also part of energy storage molecules, which are biotic matter. So carbon can be both biotic and abiotic, depending on what it's part of. During the process of photosynthesis, producers make energy storage molecules using carbon and energy from the sun, and that actually moves the carbon from the abiotic air to the biotic living parts. When there is more carbon in abiotic matter, there is more carbon available for making energy storage molecules. The opposite is true. When there is less carbon, there is less carbon available for making energy storage molecules. When we have more sunlight, producers can make more energy storage molecules, and when there is less sunlight, producers cannot make as many energy storage molecules. So, does photosynthesis require sunlight?
Yes.
Do plants make energy storage molecules at nighttime?
No.
No, that process stops at nighttime. Excellent. Chapter 2.